Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year once again. I hope you have or had a nice new year or having a nice new year. So today we are reviewing this Noxin car air compressor. Had it for some time now. As you can see what is a bit wrong. This Noxin model is CZK 3650. Just like every other person out there, make your research before buying the product. This product has been very effective for me, and I was glad I actually got this. It feels light, it's not heavy, and pumps well, and pumps fast. And a demonstration will be shown later in this video. And also, I like the fact that the cable too is long. It's like 5 feet when you're plugging it inside the car in the cigarette lighter. This is the device itself. The Noxy. It's quite scarce online to check. I think you can find it on eBay. Yeah, you can find it on eBay and on Noxin site itself. And I don't think they really make this one again. Like it's not like newer models, but compare this to the newer models. So you have the on and off switch here, and this switch is for LED, like for the flashlight. This flashlight. Then this is your cigarette lighter, and the length of this cable of this cigarette lighter is about this feels like I'm gonna try it. Feels like 5 feet. So the cigarette lighter feels like 5 feet. And this is the air. This is the air nose. This is the air nose. And this controls your pressure unit, either it's in psi, kilogram per centimeter, or depends on the unit you know how to work with. Then this also sets your pressure. And this is a digital display. I used this yesterday to inflate my tire because I had a bit of a flat yesterday. So I'll be showing the video shortly. And these are nozzle adapters. Oh, I broke this. I broke the fuse. I can always get the fuse. This nozzle adapter and fuse. So in this part of the video, I've plugged the cigarette lighter cable side inside the car. Then I've put the hose on the tire valve. So that's the units, bar, psi, and kilogram per centimeter cube. Then this is me using the button, the plus and minus button, to adjust the pressure to the pressure size I want it to inflate the tire. And after that, you press the power button, which starts inflating the tire. And from what I've noticed, it does like 1 psi per 5 seconds, which is quite fast and effective. Thanks for watching.